Yeah, and welcome to SOFTECH. In this session, we are going to discuss about SAP Intelligent ERP. What exactly is Intelligent ERP? In this series of sessions, I'm going to explain in detail about the Intelligent ERP and most important concepts that every one of us must know. So let's get started with what exactly is Intelligent ERP all about. Primarily an SAP S/4HANA cloud in a modern cloud based enterprise management system that uses embedded artificial intelligence, machine learning, and advanced analytics to automate the processes and provide real time insights. So, if you see here, this is an overall simplified picture of the intelligent ERP where you can see all the modules of the ERP, conventional ERP that we already have, which happens to be in the orange color on your left side, where we have the asset management, Salesforce, sales and services, finance, supply chain, HR, procurement, manufacturing, and all these modules. Then you see on the right side on the top, you have in blue color, we have the intelligent technologies, and down below we have the cross topics, which happens to be very important for our business to be in the top position in the world. So now we have got this key features. So basically, as any regular ERP does, it does streamline operations across finance, supply chain, and manufacturing, allowing business to predict outcomes, improve efficiency, and make faster data driven decisions. Additionally, what exactly the intelligent ERP does is it embeds the AI and ML, so automates routine tasks and provides predictive insights directly within the business processes. Real-time data analytics built on the SAP HANA in-memory database, allowing instant analysis of large data sets for immediate decision making. Intelligent robotic process automation, the IRPA, which happens to be the extension of the RPA that we had in the past, uses bots to handle repetitive manual tasks to reduce errors. We can also have the situational handling, proactively identifies issues such as delays in the supply chain and offers solutions. We have got the cloud first approach, offers scalability and fast deployment with pre-configured best practices. The key benefits happens to be the increased productivity. Since the automation is done taken care, it allows the employees to focus more on the strategic activities. Since we have an improved decision making, it provides a single source of truth with actionable insights. Cost savings and efficiency streamlines operations and reduces manual errors. Adaptability helps business pivot quickly to changing market conditions. We have got a lot of advantages of going with the SAP Intelligent ERP. We have got the real-time data access as well, because this SAP S/4HANA, all the systems are based on in-memory database, so it provides instant access to transactional and analytical data, enabling immediate informed decision making. Then we've got this predictive analytics and forecasting is also there. Intuitive user experience on the Fury. Then we have the cloud and scalability and integrated intelligence suite. And we also have additionally a BTP layer, which has been introduced between the SAP S/4HANA core and the Fury front-end application. So we've got a lot of exciting features here. We're going to discuss about all these features in the coming sessions. Do subscribe to our channel and comment in whatever you feel about this video. And if you are looking out for one-to-one sessions or live sessions in a group, you can please contact us in the reply back in the chat or send a mail to us. Thank you for watching this video till the end, and yeah, let's meet in the next session. Thank you. Have a great day.